Here is a new story, and the name of the story is His First Flight. Before going to discuss the story, we are going to discuss some chit chat activity and some questions. Through these questions, uh, we get a clear idea about this story, or what is the theme of the story, and what the writer wanted to say through this story. The name of the story is His First Flight. Flight means going up above the ordinary soaring. It is the similar meaning in English, and we can say in Marathi it is Bharari. Here the activity questions, or in chit chat activity, the very first question is, are there any situation when you get afraid? The very first question I would like to read here. Are there any situation when you get afraid? And you answer like this: yes, I am afraid of sleeping in the dark at night, cold weather, as well as street dogs, and ghost stories and corals. I am afraid about that things in my minds uh, in that situation. The second question is, how would you react if you had to travel alone? How we answer this? Uh, I would be greatly disturbed and depressed if I had to travel alone. It annoys me and I feel uncomfortable when I travel alone. Sometimes we experience it like this when we traveling along alone for a long distance. We feel uncomfortable in our minds. Then the next question, how would you react if you had to stay alone at home? And we answer, I would be afraid of staying alone at home, become uneasy, uncomfortable, and endlessly think that something untoward will happen when I am alone at home. And the last question is that, what would you do if you were lost in a new city? I would cause confusion in my minds if I had lost in a new city. And my nerve and run here helter and skelter to find any lead to my home, or I shall collect myself and reach the police to get help from them. We behave like this in that situations. It means that a fear, or we afraid about that situations. In the story, His First Flight is a similar theme of this story. The story is about the young seagull who is afraid in his mind to fly in the sky. His parents enthusiased him, but in vain. It is useless. At the end of the story, his hunger compelled him and he made his first flight. What is the message? Through this very theme we learnt that one should never lose their self confidence if you want to achieve a success, because life is a challenge and we should have to be accept it. If we lose our confidence, if you think you can, you can, and if you think you can't, you can't. That is the proverbs in English, and we give the message, get the message through this story also.